Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 573AFG. This is a mill finish aluminum flexible threshold, 10 1/4 wide, 1/4 inch rise. So this is an unusual threshold in that it's designed to be flexible. It's designed to not only flex a maximum of 20 degree up or down, but to also expand and contract up to 1/4 inch via that thermoplastic elastomer in there, that high-tech rubber. So the 573x5, we got two 5-inch pieces is what that means. A for mill aluminum finish, and the FG is going to refer to this, what is in essence a thermal break sort of feature to the item, even though it's really not thermal break technically, because that material, the aluminum, can touch itself, but it would sure act to a certain degree as a thermal break. Okay. Commercial threshold with a flexible joint that allows that, again, that 20 degree up or down, that 1/4 inch expansion. Ideal for applications where you've got an uneven floor surface or building components that expand or contract. It's designed to do that. Or move slightly, such as a floating ramp assembly or an expansion joint. Expansion joints are obviously very common in concrete work. Flexible joint is made from thermoplastic elastomer that adds an additional benefit as a thermal barrier, as I said earlier. The thermal barrier threshold doesn't allow the heat to be transferred from one side to the other because it's being retarded by the disparate material that's installed there. You can even, get this to work somewhat reasonably on a floor that's not exactly level, whatever the case might be. Okay, you can obviously even cut that down should you need to produce a custom sort of installation where you might need to have that. Suitable for uneven floors that expand and contract, prevents temperature transfer and condensation, enables easy access to the facility being 1/4 inch, durable and long lasting. This is available in the A finish for mill aluminum. It's not a finish, it's just mill aluminum. You can also order it in the D or dark bronze anodized finish. I happen to have a D finish here that you can see what it looks like. Okay. This video is just for the A or mill aluminum finish. It's available only in those two color options, so to speak. Now, let's go over the dimensional properties. 10 1/4 is going to be the width. This isn't really expanded at all. That margin there is tight. It'll go out to 10 1/4. The height is 1/4 inch. That makes it certainly ADA compliant. But also when you look at the extrusion thickness, it's just a substantial piece of extrusion in terms of the thickness of the material. That's heavy on a 1/4 inch. There's no doubt about that. That's closer to 5/16. This area right here. No question. And really, that's not what the threshold height, is going to be. Surely, we're going to be measuring it out over here. You've got that small amount of additional material to act as a bar, a support, that sort of thing. Now, there is a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog that will allow you to review all of the important details that we've really pretty much discussed, discussing where it's used, what the insert is made of, its physical capabilities in terms of the angle it can be set to, how much it can flex in terms of the overall width. Page 2 is going to contain that information. We'll draw attention to the fact that it's available in the dark bronze anodized finish as well, along with the fact that it includes 10 by 1 flathead sheet metal screws. This, as you can see, is just a sample. It's literally just a 6-inch sample. If this was the genuine article, it would have a couple of holes in each piece that you would be countersunk for you to attach to the floor. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and simply indicate in the comment field what length you want us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is this. This might be difficult for you to cut, pure and simple. something that's going to be 10-inch wide, very thick, you may not want to cut it. You might not have the tool or time to do it. You might have 30 of these to install and just want them to be shipped from the factory already cut. The upside, other than the savings in time, is hopefully the accuracy with which everything's cut. But you're going to save the drilling and countersinking as well. That's really where the time's going to come in. Plus, if you ordered the next longest piece or pieces and indicated in the comment field what length you wanted us to ship the material out to, we would locate that countersink at the proper distance from the edge and the proper center to center as well. That would be a benefit for sure. Something so wide like this is obviously intended for navigating an uneven floor surface, but some people also like to use it because they're going to cope a frame into something like this so that you can run the leg long on the outside face generally. If you have the frame coped into this profile, you can have this aluminum act as a barrier, an additional layer of protection against the bottom of the hollow metal frame against salt and etc. that would be thrown on the outside. So some people will do that as well. Also, as I had mentioned earlier, the ability to rip that down to a certain extent and give yourself a custom sort of solution. The name Pemko is synonymous with all things weather stripping related. They, in my opinion, hold the title of the broadest range of available weather stripping from a single manufacturer, and they do a real good job with their product line. There's a link below this video to the installation instructions, and by the way, other technical data on this threshold, like a drawing, like a tech sheet, like installation instructions, and even an MSDS sheet. So the link below this video to the manufacturer's page will allow you to review not only all the Pemko items that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog where you can review all things weather stripping related from Pemko. Not only custom thresholds like this, but of course standard ones, door sweeps, perimeter gasketing, material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze as well. They also have a comprehensive offering of residential weather stripping, Curfton style weather stripping, perimeter gasketing, thresholds, door sweeps, drip caps, things of that nature. Any questions on the Pemko 573x5AFG flexible threshold or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.